it would help a lot if mills have a little bit more open mindset, because the most prominent problem which we see is that the mindset of the people is very difficult to change. They are inclined towards the process which they are already run, so they are not tends to move away from this one. It takes a little bit more time than the expected one to change the mindset, but I think we have a very efficient way to change the mind of people stepwise, and I think we have the adoption process ready within 3 months. The good thing about Fiber 52 process is that it is very adaptable on the already existing machineries, the machines which are already installed in the premises of the factory. So it is ready to use process, ready to implement process on those machines. From, sorry, what's the second part of the question? So the Fiber 52 technology is basically associated with the PFD process. So it actually strengthens the yarn strength of the cellulosic fibers. So, but after that process, the dyeing part and the finishing part with antimicrobials, UV protection, fire retardant is pretty much the same process. And after that, as an ultimate garment, they actually enhances the performance. From the chemical side, the chemicals are a bit on premium price, but when we consider the utility cost, which includes the energy cost, heat cost, electricity cost, water cost, so overall it's a win-win for the mill and for the brand as well. And we have a whole calculator ready, and we provide the calculations to the mill as well, which are pretty optimized for them.